Got a pretty cool toy today to look at my coins with. Thought I'd make a short video and show you what I have. It's a microscope that people use a lot of times to use for soldering circuit boards and stuff. But I got it to look at my coins because my eyes are getting old. It's a koolertron. I'll show you the box in a minute. But pretty simple setup here. It's a digital microscope. I've got 3 coins under there. I'll just set it up here and just show you some of the detail you can see. Now I have a loop and I have one of these magnifying lights. They're pretty good. But this is just really neat. So here, I'll just put it there and go through a couple of coins. So this is the Aztec calendar. Those of you that have good eyes, you might be able to see all this detail anyway, but I can't. I couldn't. But here you can sort of look around the coin with this, and pretty amazing, the detail. I mean, I didn't even realize that there was like an inner band here with the designs in the calendar. So I can even crank it down some here and refocus. It's hard for me to do this because I have the camera sitting right in front of the coin, but there. You can see that detail really nicely on the coin. Here, one of the 5 rupee coins. I didn't realize the ducks actually have like flowers, tulips or something like that in their mouth. You can sort of pop it around there and see all the animals, really nice detail. I guess it's something good to check out mint marks on coins and stuff like that as well. If you look here on this side of the 5 rupee, if you look there, you can even see that down in the 1957, it's even outlined around the date. There, a 0 inside the 9, little loop inside the 5. I mean, it's really intricately done. It's really cool, all of the work that you can see on this. Something I didn't even know. I've been making these U.S. Marshall silver dollars. I make rings out of them. And I have the Marshall on the outside with the Justice Integrity Service and so forth. So I've always seen the badge and the gun and everything pretty cool. But I put this under this, and I didn't realize. Focus it a little bit. That look down. The poster actually says "Wanted in Fort Smith." I could never see it good enough to even see what was on the poster. If I look down, there's a JFM mark on that side of the coin, and then over here is FM on the other side. I might have been able to see that with a loop or with my magnifying, but it's just it's a lot easier. It's pretty cool to be able to pop this underneath and see all of the detail on these coins. Crank that out a little bit. There, RM on this side with the horseshoes, and the P mint mark with the C LV on the other side. So really cool. One of the neat things about it as well is there's actually a mode on here. This is a 7-inch screen on this model. There's actually a mode. Let's see if I can do it real quick. Turn it off and then back on and select camera on my computer, and then you can actually, instead of using the 7-inch on your computer, let's see, go to my computer camera, you can actually see your coins on the computer. Now, the lighting is not that great on this computer. I haven't messed with it enough to try to brighten it up, but I'm sure there's a way to do that. But you use your computer monitor and the camera on your computer to see on large screen, make videos, take pictures. You can do that on the microscope as well. It has a USB slot on it, but would be a lot easier here. I think once I fiddle with my settings and figure out how to lighten this up, this might be really cool to use as well. I just haven't played with it enough. But it's about 100, I think 100, 110 bucks I paid for it on Amazon. Let's see here. This is the box. I think it's just a generic thing. It comes out of China, but it's called a koolertron. I'll put a link in the post to show you what it is, what I bought, in case you're interested. But really easy to set up, portable, easy to use. Could use for a lot of stuff, but it's going to be really cool for me to sort of inspect my coins